Welcome to the Yukon Project. We've analyzed millions of credit reports, hundreds of thousands of people's financial data, and designed programs to help people improve their financial lives. Today, we're going to take an objective look at the pros and cons of using LendingClub to consolidate your credit card balances. Let's get started with the positives. One of the best things about LendingClub is that they will lend to people with fair credit, meaning that their minimum credit score for approval is 600. If you are struggling to get approved by other lenders, LendingClub could be a good option, especially if your credit score is in the mid-600s. When it comes to credit card debt consolidation loans, I think it's definitely a pro that LendingClub will pay your credit cards off for you instead of just sending you the money and letting you do it. This is definitely convenient, but there's another reason why I think it's important. It shows that they are accounting for the fact that this loan will replace other debts. It's not just going to stack on top of them. That should make it easier to clear their debt to income thresholds. In short, it could be easier to be approved compared to a lender that does not offer direct payoff, especially if you have substantial credit card debt. LendingClub's loans are unsecured. That means you won't need to put up collateral like the title to your motor vehicle in order to be approved. Not only does this simplify the process of applying for the loan, it also means that you won't risk losing your asset if you run into trouble repaying the loan. Now let's take a look at a few of the downsides of using LendingClub to consolidate your credit card debt. Their APRs range from 9.57% and 35.99%. The low end of that range is fairly competitive, but you're not likely to get that rate unless you have very good credit. On the high end, 35.99% is fairly high. If you are offered a rate in the higher end of that spectrum, you might want to think twice about whether consolidating makes sense. A good rule of thumb is that you should only consolidate if you can lower your interest rate by at least 2 to 3 percentage points compared to what you are currently paying on your credit cards. Another potential downside is that LendingClub also charges an origination fee that ranges from 3 to 8%. It's important to understand that the origination fee comes out of the loan proceeds. So if you borrow $10,000 with a 5% origination fee, you'll only receive $9,500, but you will have to pay back the full $10,000. You also don't get the origination fee back if you pay the loan off early. Another limitation is that the highest amount LendingClub will lend for debt consolidation is $40,000. If you have more credit card debt than that to consolidate, you may need to find another lender. But if you do have that much credit card debt, it would probably be worthwhile for you to consult with a certified debt counselor at a nonprofit so that you can explore your options for getting out of debt. Lastly, LendingClub does not accept cosigners on their debt consolidation loans. A cosigner is someone who would be responsible to repay the loan if you fail to. Adding a cosigner to your loan increases the chances of being approved, getting a good interest rate, and being approved for a larger loan amount. So not having this option does limit your ability to improve your application. The most important thing you can do when considering credit card debt consolidation is to shop around and compare offers from multiple lenders. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our marketplace page, you can apply to any one of our featured lenders, and we'll check your rate with dozens of other lenders behind the scenes. This uses a soft credit pull, so it won't impact your credit score. We'll then show you all of your personalized offers so you can choose the best deal. I have a final thought about consolidating your credit card debt. When companies promote their credit card debt consolidation loans, they usually lead with the benefit that it will simplify your payments. While consolidation will definitely do that, it is important to remember that this is not a good enough reason to consolidate in and of itself. The real point of consolidation is to pay off your debts, and that will simplify your life. So don't just consolidate so that you will have fewer bills to pay. Consolidate when it will help you pay less interest, make bigger principal payments, and pay off your loans sooner. If you found this video useful, please like it and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.